Hello everyone, I'm Emma. Today I'd like to show you our K-series LED panels. I'd like to show you how easy to assemble. You can see the whole cabinet is non-wires and non-screws designs. Let's see the modules. The module, 4 rods magnetic modules. And here's the handle. Let's see how easy to pull off the modules. This is our high-quality metal connector. 8 years is no problem for frequently plug. This is our special design for control power boards. Here is the 4 rods. You can see it's non-wires and non-screws design inside the view. Let's focus on the special design of pin. If you want high-quality LED display, we strongly recommend this one.